Singapore's manufacturing output rose in December thanks to a surge in the biomedical sector. Economists say the better-than-expected performance may lead to an upward revision in the fourth quarter GDP growth forecast for 2011. Linda Hong with more.
December's manufacturing output figures had surprised many economists. On a seasonally adjusted basis, industrial production increased 7.8% after a 24.5% slump in November. And the rate of growth for the year had exceeded the 2.2% expansion forecast by economists.
This manufacturing rebound that we've seen for some time, that became very pronounced in December, will actually be quite sustainable going into the earlier months of the year. We're calling for next quarter to display growth, sequential growth on a quarter-on-quarter basis.
Meanwhile, output grew 12.6% on year, exceeding the 6.4% forecast.
This could actually lift overall GDP growth for the fourth quarter last year up to about 4.2%. from the previous advanced estimate of just 3.6%. The pullback in GDP growth in the fourth quarter last year has been less severe than what many people actually predicted earlier on.
Some economists have also observed that GDP growth in China has accelerated in the last 3 quarters of 2011. This, together with positive economic figures from the US, should help divert some of the headwinds from the Eurozone debt crisis. Some observers were also optimistic on the Eurozone debt crisis.
Our base case assumption is that things there, they will sort of avoid a financial crisis, a breakup type of scenario. If that is the case, then we think most of the things is likely to bottom pretty much now. So the ex-biomed sequential GDP will probably bottom at now, and then it will start improving from next quarter onward. In year-on-year term, things will probably be lacking a little bit. They might probably bottom in Q1, but again, we should see better performance from Q2 onwards.
While the transport engineering and precision engineering saw some 15.1% increases year-on-year, electronics output remained depressed, down 22.8% in December from a year ago due to the weak global demand.